Alright, so I thought I'd do an unboxing for a package I just got from Yoyo community. Just got it today, day after 4th of July. Thank you, Tony and Cody. So, let's see what we got here. Oh, a little extra tape. Always cut away from yourself, especially with a not perfectly sharp knife. Ooh. So, got here Twisted Stringz bundle pack. I'll open that in a bit. And actually what I had ordered first was the sweet Trifecta 3 bearing pack, which came with 3 Twisted Stringz Trifecta Concaved-Grooved 10-ball bearings. 1, a 2, a 3. I got a sticker with thanks and signatures from the kids over there, and awesome bottle of 1-drop lube. And then inside the cool little Twisted Stringz box, let's see what kind of goodies are in here. Got some Project X from Twisted String, and oh, cool, little fishbone string holder thingy. The bundle pack also included some A1 from Twisted Stringz, and Tony also sent me a little vial of some gray matter. Look at that. Probably doesn't help any closer to the camera. Oh, wow. This stuff looks cool. This is the string that they load up, especially on the dark matter Nessies from G Squared. I don't know if I'm even gonna play with this. Maybe sometime put it on my nickel code 2. That might look pretty good. Anyways, so some cool stuff I got from Yoyo community. Check them out. They're awesome.